Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Honor 5 with Huawei Health and Android. As you can see, you already opened the app, it's installed. We have here 4 pages, starting with Health, which is the first page, next Exercise, the third page is Device, and the fourth page is Me. We're going to go to Device. Here we can choose what device you are using, find band 4/5, and it will find the band 5 immediately. As you can see in the top round, we have here found, as you can see, it vibrates, and you have to click OK, and now it's paired. Is that easy? In Android it's much easier than in iOS. You can see now that it's done. It opened up another page with full of option for the Honor band 5. We will get back to that, but first we have to check the first page. As you can see, we have steps. Here we can see all the statistics for steps, day, week, month or year. In the bottom we have also different pages for steps. We have the average statistic and all kinds of stuff, which is very helpful. Next we can see here we have modern to high intensity. As you can see, in all of the app we will find this kind of statistic with day, week, month and year. Next we have all the exercises that are saved from December last year, or all kinds of stuff we have only from December. You can choose what you will find. Next we have blood oxygen. You can see again with statistic here, day, week, month and year. After that we got here heart rate. Again, the statistic are all over this page. We have dates as well. Next we have sleep. If you wear your watch at sleep, you will get sleep monitoring. We got here weight monitoring and stress. We can read about the stress right here. Here in the end we can edit these options, where to put them, which is very good. Sometimes you need to change stuff. As you can see, we have here exercise. We have outdoor run, walk and cycle with GPS. As you can see right here, it's activated. And we have indoor run, also train without GPS needed. We can go now to the device here. As you can see, when we connected, we open this page. It says connected. We have the percentage of battery. We have here steps, calories and kilometers. We have health monitoring. We have here help and troubleshooting, alarm in case we need to set an alarm. We have the weather report. Next we have notifications. You can see all notifications here. Device settings. You can change all these stuff. So whenever you go, whatever you open up, you will find more settings in this app. We have here firmware update. As you can see, one update is here. We need to update later, but for now we're going to leave it like it is. So this is the device page. The final page is Me. We can see here messages, profile information. You have to fill out these with your information, personal information. Next we have settings. As you can see here, we have again goals. We can change our goals. We have heart rate limit zone, data sharing, notification management, units, open source license, privacy settings and clear cache. So this is it for the Huawei Health App and how to connect it. Now, as you can see, the notification will come only if you are wearing it, and you will find the option to turn this off in the notification part settings or do not disturb setting. You will find this to power it off. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video helpful or interesting, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.